Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore some creative and stylish DIY wall shelf decor ideas that will add personality and functionality to any room in your home. Whether you are looking to spruce up your living room, bedroom or any other space, we have got you covered. Let's get started. Wall shelves are a fantastic way to display your favorite items and add character to your space. Plus, they are easy to install and can be customized to fit your style. Here are some of our favorite DIY wall shelf decor ideas. First, let's talk about floating shelves. Floating shelves are sleek and modern, making them perfect for any contemporary home. They appear to float on the wall without visible brackets, creating a clean and minimalist look. You can paint or stain them to match your decor and use them to display everything from books and plants to art and collectibles. Consider arranging multiple floating shelves in a staggered or symmetrical pattern for a more dynamic display. Next up are rustic wooden shelves. These shelves bring a touch of warmth and coziness to any room. Use reclaimed wood or weathered planks for an authentic rustic look. Pair them with industrial style brackets or rope supports for added charm. These shelves are perfect for displaying vintage items, potted plants, and other rustic decor pieces. They add character and sense of history to your space. For a more eclectic and creative look, try mismatched shelves. Mix and match different shapes, sizes, and colors of shelves to create a unique and personalized display. You can use old dryers, crates, or even repurpose furniture pieces as shelves. This approach allows you to showcase a variety of items in a fun and unexpected way. It is perfect for adding a playful touch to your decor. If you are short on space, consider corner shelves. Corner shelves make great use of otherwise unused space and can add a lot of character to a room. They are ideal for small rooms or apartments where every inch counts. Use them to display small plants, candles, or other decorative items. You can even create a vertical garden by stacking multiple corner shelves and filling them with greenery. For those who love a touch of elegance, glass shelves are a fantastic option. Glass shelves are sleek, modern, and perfect for displaying delicate or decorative items. They add a sense of lightness and openness to a room. Pair them with metal brackets for a sophisticated look. These shelves are great for bathrooms, kitchens, or any space where you want to keep things light and airy. Another great idea is to use ladder shelves. Ladder shelves lean against the wall and provide a tight display space. They are perfect for creating a casual and relaxed vibe. You can easily move them around and use them to display books, plants, or decorative baskets. Ladder shelves are versatile and can fit into almost any decor style. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest home decor tips and DIY projects. Thanks for watching and see you next time.